Some folks dream of a rum mysterious spirit born of a time imperious. Others take their libation too serious. I say, shake it up and get delirious. Come along on my vacation. Leave this ugly world behind. Hand in hand we'll seek sedation from annoying mankind with mysterious rum, imperious rum, exotic, quixotic, demonic rum, luxurious rum, delirious rum. Vacate this world with a shaker of rum. This land I've seen in hazy dreams, a flowing nectar paradise, haven of liquor-soaked sunbeams. Let's head that way, take my advice. To mysterious rum, harmonious rum, melodious, uproarious, victorious rum, copious rum, glorious rum, our enchanted island that's fueled by rum. Serene on our exotic isle, transported in a frosty mug, its soothing potion brings a smile. Find yourself engulfed in a liquid hug of mysterious rum, delirious rum, luxurious, gregarious, hilarious rum, voluminous rum, potable rum. Let's explore this isle of rum. The bamboo bar can bring such pleasures, spirits, syrups, liquors too. Its freezer chest is full of treasures. It's more fun to mix for two. Escape from angst is now complete. Upon this isle I plan to stay, with this fluid calm replete. Here in our boozy hideaway, with mysterious rum, bounteous rum, copious, glorious, plenteous rum, beauteous rum, marvelous rum. Lose yourself in ecstasy delivered by rum. Lose yourself in ecstasy delivered by rum.